How to transfer data from your old smartphone to the Nothing Phone 2. With the release of the Nothing Phone 2 in 2023, many are considering making the switch to this innovative device. This article will guide you through transferring your essential data from your old smartphone to the Nothing Phone 2, ensuring a smooth transition. Exploring the features of Nothing Phone 2. The Nothing Phone 2 has garnered significant attention for its advanced features. Bullet design. Weighing 201 grams, the Nothing Phone 2 has a sleek, sturdy design with an aluminum chassis and glass back. Unique, subtle lights enhance its sophistication. Bullet structure. The premium build quality, combining aluminum and glass, ensures durability and aesthetic appeal. Bullet camera quality. Equipped with dual 50-megapixel lenses, the phone delivers high-quality photos with optical and electronic stabilization for sharp, blur-free images. Bullet cost-effective pricing. Priced at $599, it offers competitive pricing compared to other flagship smartphones, providing excellent value for money. How to transfer data from your old smartphone to the Nothing Phone 2. To transfer data seamlessly, we recommend using Wondershare Mobile Trans, a powerful tool that supports over 6,000 devices across Android and iOS platforms. Key features of Mobile Trans. Bullet wide device compatibility. Works with over 6,000 devices on both Android and iOS. Bullet advanced algorithms and UI/UX design. Provides an intuitive user experience for efficient data transfer. Bullet blazing fast transfer speeds. Optimized performance for quick data migration. Bullet cross-platform transfers. Allows data transfer between Android and iOS devices. Bullet encrypted data transfer. Ensures data security during the transfer process. Bullet comprehensive data transfer. Transfers photos, videos, contacts, notes, reminders, and calendars. Bullet WhatsApp transfer and recovery. Moves and merges WhatsApp data, with recovery options for deleted WhatsApp data on Android. Bullet music playlist transfer. Transfers playlists between streaming platforms. Bullet backup and restore. Creates complete backups of your device and supports restoring iTunes backups. Step-by-step guide to transfer data to Nothing Phone 2. 1. Choose the phone transfer tool. White Bullet. Open Wondershare Mobile Trans and select the Phone Transfer module. White Bullet. Choose the Phone-to-Phone option. White Bullet. Connect both your old smartphone and the Nothing Phone 2 to your computer using appropriate cables. 2. Transfer data to Nothing Phone 2. White Bullet. Mobile Trans will display all available data for transfer from your old smartphone. White Bullet. Select the data types you wish to transfer. White Bullet. Click the Transfer button to initiate the process. White Bullet. If the devices are not in the correct positions, use the Flip feature to adjust. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transition to the Nothing Phone 2, transferring all your valuable data efficiently and securely. Enjoy your new smartphone with all your essential information intact. 4.